Hi everyone! Welcome back to our complete Parts of Speech course. This is lesson 8. Before we start, if you find the video useful, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. Thank you very much in advance. Let's learn conjunctions today. What is a conjunction? A conjunction joins words, phrases, sentences. Simple definition. A conjunction connects ideas. Common conjunctions. And. The conjunction and adds information. I like tea and coffee. But. The conjunction but shows contrast. I am tired but happy. Or shows choice. Do you want tea or juice? Because gives reason. I'm late because of traffic. Using conjunctions in sentences. She is smart and kind. He studied hard but failed. We stayed home because it was raining. Common mistakes. This is wrong to say like this. I like coffee but tea. I like tea and coffee. This is how you should say. This is wrong to say because I was tired. It's correct to say I was tired because I worked late. Let's have some mini practice. Choose the correct conjunction. Number 1. I want pizza. Or but pasta. Number 2. She is poor but or honest. Number 3. He stayed home because and he was sick. Here are the answers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And our review. Conjunctions join words and sentences. And, but, or, because are very common. They make sentences smooth. Like and subscribe for more lessons. Our next lesson is going to be about interjections. See you.